Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about parallelogram and basic properties of parallelogram. What exactly a parallelogram is? A quadrilateral. What a quadrilateral? Quadrilateral means a polygon who is having four sides. A quadrilateral whose opposite sides are parallel. That means AD and BC are parallel and CD and AB are parallel. They are opposite sides, which says AB is parallel to DC and AD is parallel to BC. So that's what about a parallelogram is, whose opposite sides are parallel. Now let's talk about basic properties of parallelogram. Okay. So first property says that opposite sides are equal. That means AB is equals to DC and AD is equals to BC. As they are opposite sides, so this is equals to this side and these two sides are equal. So concluding this and definition of parallelogram, we can say a parallelogram having opposite side equal and parallel. Okay. Then we talk about second property. Second property says that opposite angles of a parallelogram are also equal. That means angle A and angle C are equal. As well as angle B and angle D are equal. As they are opposite angles. Okay, so basic two properties we have seen of a parallelogram: opposite sides are equal and opposite angles are equal. Alright, we'll talk about the other two properties as well. Third property of parallelogram, which says that adjacent angles are supplementary. Supplementary means, let's say two angles A and B. So A and B will be called as supplementary angles if their sum is equals to 180 degree. Alright. So and adjacent angles are like A and B, A and D. They will be adjacent angles. If I talk about B, then BA, B and C, they will be adjacent angles. Okay. Now according to this property, adjacent angles are supplementary. Okay. So A plus B will be equals to 180 degree. Why does this happen? Because this line AD and line BC, they are parallel to each other, and if you will notice on this line AB, this is a transversal line, and in this transversal line these interior angles, they will be supplementary. The same way here, the same way here, and the same way here. So we have four pairs of supplementary angles here. A plus B is equals to 180, angle D plus C, then angle D plus A. We have already taken angle A and B here, and angle B and C. So they all will be having a sum of 180 degree angle. Alright. So that's what the third property of parallelogram is. Adjacent angles are supplementary. Okay. So till now we have discussed first property: opposite sides are equal, opposite angles are equal, adjacent angles are supplementary. Fourth property, diagonal of the parallelogram. What is the diagonal? A diagonal when you meet two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon. So in this case parallelogram, when you meet two non-consecutive vertices, which is A and C, or let's say B and D also, then you get diagonal. So here AC and BD are diagonal. First of all, AC and BD are diagonal. All right. What does it say? Fourth property, that diagonal bisect each other. That means, let's say this is point O, this is point O, then AO is equals to OC. Okay, I will write down here. Okay, fourth property here. AO is equals to OC, as well as DO is equals to OB. What is the reason? Diagonal bisect each other. Alright, so that's what about four properties of parallelogram. This is one. Opposite sides equal, opposite angles are equal, adjacent angles are supplementary, and diagonals bisect